Curious about State Farm's internal claim handling tool, Necho? First, let's clarify Necho's purpose. This isn't for the general public. It's an internal system used by State Farm employees to manage and process insurance claims. This tool likely streamlines claim investigation, evaluation, and settlement, connecting various claim information sources. To utilize Necho, employees begin by logging in with their secure credentials. The interface is likely designed with intuitive navigation in mind. The first key step is accessing a specific claim. This can be done via the search functionality, using a claim number, policy number, or customer name. Necho will then likely retrieve all associated details. Once a claim is selected, the interface displays crucial information such as the claim status, the policyholder's details, and the specifics of the incident. This might include police reports, photos, and adjuster notes. Key steps involve reviewing documents, verifying the information to ensure accuracy, and assessing the damage reported. The next step involves updating the claim status, such as received, in progress, or settled. Employees would choose the appropriate status from a drop-down menu. They would also input notes with their assessment, any communication or updates. This allows for calculating the settlement amount. They enter the payment details and any applicable deductions following approvals. Necho then likely facilitates the processing and ultimately the claim closure, and that, in its simplest form, is how Necho is used to facilitate claim settlements.